Hey guys, I got a dumpling. Surprise! Anyways, I already opened this and I'm going to show you. I already know what it is because I opened it like yesterday, so yeah, purple. I've been playing with it and the face is gone. Okay. And my friend was on the phone, so yeah. So and it's Temu version. Not really, but yeah. And yeah. Also, I will be making one of these, like a DIY one, like what my friend did, and she got one as well. But yeah, so I'm gonna do ASMR with it. Now ASMR with it. Hold on, I'm mouth is a mouse. No.